This is Tuck with Tuck GC. I'm out in Annandale, Virginia. I just finished up a large-scale apron project, driveway with paver border, paver and marble walkway, and a lot of drainage work. We were hired by Glickman Design. We worked with John Fowler over there to bring this project together. They have a long-standing relationship with this client. They've done a lot of work on the home, and when they got down to the apron portion of their project, they found me and contacted me as the expert in the field. So they hired me to do this project. It was great working with them. We're hoping to have some work in the future at this home. We've already priced out some work going to the back that requires some special permitting, but hopefully we have a nice relationship with them in the future. Now let's take a closer look at what we did here. With the CG-9D apron, this is 24 feet wide, the largest you can do. The radius point is set how far the property is away from the street. So in this case, 10-foot radius, big radius. Now a lot of people think these are just too big, too wide, and they're not used to it because the old-fashioned way was the small little aprons like this. Well, what this benefit to this is when you have all this property frontage, nobody can park here. So nobody's blocking your house, which is nice. Get 44 feet of coverage here. Also, with this nice radius, you see how soft this edge is. It's almost impossible to whack your rim or your tire on this. You can also pull in quickly if there's a higher traffic area, where with the little aprons, you got to angle and go straight in. So there's a lot of benefits to these if you get past just the sheer mass of them. As always, we do the pedestrian access route here. Even though there is no walkway, this has to be a 2% slope for a minimum of 4 feet. We actually pushed it to almost 5 feet just to make sure. Stepping back to the driveway, from this point to the garage, it is literally almost level. Same thing with the dirt on both sides. So drainage was a little tricky here. We had to pitch everything down to an ACO drain, which is connecting the water and going around that way. I posted a video a few weeks ago showing how we set this base up. Go check that video out. Great information. Now moving on to these pavers, Techo-Bloc, Onyx, HD2, beautiful color, beautiful pattern. We did approximately, I think it's like 26.5 inches or something wide with the joints here. When we came to the walkway, we just did one piece at the same angle going around. Tundra Gray Marble, which is my new favorite material on the market. I absolutely love it. I think it looks gorgeous. Turning back to the driveway. Beautiful finish. Right now the discoloration, my boys actually came and washed this morning. So this is just leftover water residue from the pressure washing. ACO drain looks great. This is their premium drive-on grate, expensive stuff, high-end. And then over here, the drain, actually, I immediately bring it out of the driveway. I try to do that whenever I can, just because if there's ever an issue with pipes breaking, clogging, anything, it's exposed. And then that comes out directly through here into a pop-up. Going back to this area, they had water issues here on the foundation of the house. Nothing major, but it was basically just a grading issue. This corner had negative slope there, hose there, stuff going on. But we were able to raise the dirt all the way up to the weep holes here on the wall and then cover it with some beautiful river rock. And then right here, hidden underneath there on this walkway, we did a turn down footing that acts as a dam, traps that water there, goes into a French drain that's hidden there with a pipe, landscaping cloth, nylon sock on it. These pipes come out here with the drain and the downspout, proper clean outs, come all the way out to this side. This drain got tied in with the clean out. Leaves are on it now, but there's 3 pop-up valves set there nice and professionally with a little river rock drainage ditch. In the future, they're doing landscaping around this, so we just brought this in. There's going to be finishing work around this, obviously. I love this Tundra Gray Marble. Really, really beautiful product. You see it's dry set with no joints, wet mortar base below. That'll last a lifetime. One final parting shot of this project. So another successful large-scale driveway with paver, borders and stone accents, drainage, all the good stuff closed out. Thanks for watching as always. Give us a call for your project.